Hey friends, how's everybody doing today? Hey, check it out. We have snow on the ground again here in Middle Tennessee. So I don't know about you, but I am ready for spring. But there's one really cool thing, or a couple of cool things I want to show you. Well, one great, one not so great, but just some wintertime blues. This made me so excited and hopeful for new growth. Check this out. This is an old orchid that we have had for years, probably 5, 6 years. It even had a tumble and took a chip off of the little saucer, but it bloomed once and only once, about 5 years ago. And I had actually given up on it. It had gotten to the point where it was looking really bad, and I was on my way to throw it away actually. And my husband stopped me, and he took it over, and he has diligently watered and fertilized it every week. And check this out. It's got a stem and it's going to have a bloom soon. So I'm so excited. I'll give you an update once it blooms. And so hang in there with your orchids. Orchids are so picky and hard to deal with sometimes, but they still have some life in them when they start, even if they look bad. So I'm no expert on plants. In fact, we only have 3 live plants in the house at the moment. So let me go show you the other one. Here's my other live plants that we have in the house at the moment, and these have been some Christmas amaryllis, and I have just absolutely loved them. It's a wax bulb. I actually got these at Costco, and I had 2 of them, and believe it or not, this one here on the right is on its 3rd set of blooms, and they come out like trumpet shapes, and it'll have like 5 or 6 blooms. So it's finally winding down, I believe. And then of course this one, the last set of blooms is all dried out, and that stalk's gonna die off. But check this out. I think this bloom, or this bulb, is also going to get a third bloom. So I may try to figure out if I can do some time lapse on this, because it's just an absolutely amazing plant. So there you have it. I've got a couple of plants, and then an update on my 3D printer. I have been in a lull here without being able to 3D print anything, and once I get some energy back up, I'm going to come back and tackle this. But oh man, check this out. I ended up with a huge hot end blob, and I've got some video I'm going to show you before and after. So I've been following the bamboo support tutorial on how to fix it, and so I'm going to try to do it first without buying any new parts, but I'm afraid I may have to buy some new parts there. And I'm trying to get this hot end as clean as possible so I can get her back up and printing again. I've been missing being able to print. So I'll keep you posted on those things, but just some winter blues around here, but looking forward to spring, and just wanted to show you my beautiful plants and my poor 3D printer. Talk to you soon.